This is what your space looked like before, and this is how it can feel after a modern Japandi transformation. This is a real home redesign from one of our clients, and you might be dealing with a space that feels cluttered, heavy, or lacking a clear layout and purpose. In this transformation, you'll see how simplifying the layout using light wood tones, soft neutral colors, and well-planned furniture can turn your space into a calm, modern Japandi-style home with a balanced feel. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today, and let's design your dream home together. Your living area feels cramped and cluttered, with bulky dark sofas, scattered items, and an underused space near the stairs. To improve this, you need to simplify the layout, lighten the overall palette, and introduce built-in elements that organize the space while making it feel more open. You can keep your light wall color, but upgrade your ceiling by adding a simple recessed cove design with warm LED lighting to create a softer and more elevated look. Pair this with light wood flooring to instantly brighten the space and create a warmer, more cohesive base. Let's move to the seating area. Instead of keeping both, use just one two-seater sofa in light beige fabric in the same spot near the window to free up space and make the area feel brighter and more open. Layer it with pillows in soft textures to add depth without making the space feel busy. At the center, use a round wooden coffee table to soften the layout and allow easier movement around the space. Add a small upholstered ottoman and a compact wooden side table beside the sofa to increase function while keeping everything visually light. Place a large neutral area rug under the seating to define the space and anchor all the furniture while keeping the look light and cohesive. Include indoor plants near the seating area to bring in a natural element and soften the overall look. To improve lighting, add a floor lamp with a curved arm beside the sofa to create a warm and cozy atmosphere. For your windows, use light linen curtains paired with soft fabric blinds to control light while making the space feel taller and more refined. Now for your entertainment wall. Create a more defined feature by combining vertical wood slats with clean panel backing to add texture and depth. Mount your TV at the center, then install a floating wooden console below to keep storage functional while maintaining a clean and minimal look. On both sides, you can add built-in open shelves with warm LED lighting to display decor and make the wall feel complete and balanced. Beside it is an unused corner that feels empty and disconnected. To turn it into a functional feature nook, install vertical wood slats to create a focal point and visually connect it to the TV wall. Then upgrade the ceiling with a simple recessed cove and warm LED strip so it matches the rest of the space. After that, add a floating wood desk to keep the area open, then place a round mirror with built-in LED lighting above it so it reflects light and adds a soft glow, especially at night. Add a light accent chair for extra seating while keeping the space light and cohesive. Complete it with a minimal wall art, 2 small pendant lights, and a tall indoor plant, so the space feels intentional and well integrated. Near the staircase, introduce a vertical slatted divider with a low built-in planter box at the base, filled with greenery and small flowers to subtly separate the space while keeping it open. To complete the space, install a modern layered ceiling light at the center to tie everything together and enhance the overall ambiance. With these changes, your living area feels brighter, more organized, and visually cohesive, transforming a once cluttered space into a clean and functional everyday living area. Overall, the setup feels balanced, light, and open with the total estimated cost of $2,200 to $3,800. Your dining area feels heavy and crowded, with bulky furniture, mismatched storage, and a round table that limits movement, making the space feel closed and outdated. To improve this, simplify the layout, use lighter materials, and create a more intentional dining setup that feels open and cohesive. Start by replacing your old dining set with a rectangular wooden dining table to create a cleaner layout and allow better circulation around the space. Pair it with 6 upholstered dining chairs with soft curved backs to make the setup feel lighter, more comfortable, and visually refined. To define the dining area, place a large neutral area rug underneath the table to anchor the space and add warmth. For your windows, switch to full-height layered curtains to soften the light and make the room feel taller and more elevated. At the center, install 3 modern pendant lights with warm tones to create a clear focal point and enhance the dining atmosphere. On the side, replace bulky storage with a vertical display cabinet to keep the space clean while still providing functional storage. On the empty wall, introduce vertical wood panel accents with a framed artwork to balance the space visually and prevent the wall from feeling empty or flat. To complete the look, add a tall indoor plant near the window along with simple tabletop styling like a vase with greenery to bring a natural and calming touch into your dining area. With these changes, your dining area feels brighter, more open, and balanced. Now a clean and modern space that connects seamlessly with the rest of your home. The total estimated cost is around $1,000 to $1,300. If your current layout already works, you don't need to change it. You can keep the L-shaped configuration to maintain a practical workflow. Start by replacing your old cabinetry with flat panel cabinets in light neutral tones to instantly make the space feel cleaner and more modern. You can combine this with warm wood tall cabinet on one side to add contrast and bring warmth without overwhelming the design. Then, install a white quartz countertop to create a seamless and durable work area that's easy to maintain. For your backsplash, use vertical textured tiles in a light color to add subtle depth while keeping the overall look minimal and refined. Under the upper cabinets, add LED strip lighting to improve visibility while giving your kitchen a soft, modern glow. Switch to a black sink and faucet to introduce contrast and make your workspace feel more defined and contemporary. Keep your appliances integrated by placing your refrigerator at the end of the counter so it remains accessible without interrupting your workflow. To maintain a clean look, limit countertop items and use simple decor like a small plant or minimal kitchen essentials to avoid visual clutter. On the opposite wall, add vertical slatted paneling with a floating wood shelf styled with simple decor and plants to create texture and visually connect it with the rest of your space. Then, add a wood panel ceiling with strip lighting and a modern pendant light to define the kitchen and warm up the space. With these changes, your kitchen feels brighter, more organized, and easier to use. A clean, functional space for daily use. Estimated cost, $2,400 to $3,800. When your layout is clear and every element has a purpose, your space becomes easier to use, more comfortable, and more enjoyable every day. Starting with a clear design plan helps you avoid costly mistakes and make better decisions, from layout to furniture to finishes. So you're not just improving how your space looks, but how it works for your daily life. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.